Everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Tistel.com? If yes, then watch the video till the end because in this video we are going to share unbiased review with you. So let's check out the details of Tistel.com. It is online gift store that provide creative gifting ideas and deals in multiple items such as puppy shampoo, books, puppy foods, and other related items. The store is originated in United States and has many expansion plans as well. Its interface ID is poorly designed. It does not contain any product on it. Neither site has any additional page nor do the uploaded products seem authentic, but we will share some detail of this store. It is HTTPS secure website. The email address which they are mentioning is not matching the domain name and it is a negative sign. But on their official website they have mentioned the physical address and contact details. It was created on 31st May 2021. Delivery time is they are asking for 4 to 7 working days. You can enjoy free shipping over the shopping of $75 for if you are a domestic shopper. They have different payment methods. Let's check out the benefits of ordering from Tistel.com. It is HTTPS protected site. It is having 30 days of flexible return policy. It is not taking up any shipping on domestic order over $75. It carries all the contact details on it. Drawbacks of ordering from Tistel.com are several other scam portals share same interface. It does not hold any users' remarks. It is newly established website and it is not having a verified email server. It is very important to analyze the websites legitimacy these days, but unfortunately there are uncountable scam online sites presented on the website to accomplish their scamming intentions. Thus, we have enclosed some points that we have discussed with you, and we like it is newly created website. Social media icons are not valid. No customer reviews. Moreover, the site does not hold complete information about its policy. Honest details are hidden. Content is very poor. Moreover, we regret to say that there is no information published regarding customer reviews on entire internet. Moreover, the feedback page was found empty on the website as no customer has posted any response. So in our final thought, we can say that the website has gained many red flags. So it is inappropriate and not recommending website for you to shop from this store because it is highly suspicious online store. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your reviews with us regarding your experience regarding this website. We love to hear from you.